Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create business report visual clarity using Smart Sharpen in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a business report graphic that looks informative but slightly dull. I pause here because reports are about trust and readability. I duplicate the layer first so I can work freely. I go to Filter, then Sharpen, and select Smart Sharpen. I don't rush this step. I increase the amount slowly and watch charts and text gain clarity. I pause and feel the difference. I adjust the radius carefully so lines stay clean and professional. I zoom in on numbers and icons because accuracy matters in business reports. I reduce noise to keep everything smooth and